sell skincare?
It's crucial that advisors can recommend the right product. Firstly, if a customer is given the wrong product, they will not trust that advisor, they may not return to that particular store, and finally they may not trust the actual brand which was recommended to them. At Vichy, we're committed to actually empowering our customers and giving them knowledge about their skin, and we do this by actually personally diagnosing their skin and as a result recommend the right product for their skin type.
So how does Vichy help make sure assistants can advise effectively?
Vichy is exclusive to pharmacies because we're committed to working with pharmacists and advisors where there is a strong level of trust and expertise. Our mission at Vichy is to empower our customers with in-depth knowledge, and we do this by offering them personalised skincare diagnosis by our fully trained advisors, and this is done to optimise the customer's skin health.
Why is a good skincare regime important, and what should it entail?
A good skincare regime is important because it helps maintain and preserve healthy-looking skin. So your skincare routine should include cleansing and moisturising twice a day. You cleanse because you need to remove all the impurities from your skin, and you moisturise because you want to hydrate your skin. In addition, you should use a good quality sun care product which protects against UVA and UVB rays. And also, you should change your moisturisers or your skincare routine accordingly. So what I mean by this is, in your younger years, what you may use then will be different from what you use in your older years.
What are the most common mistakes people make when choosing skincare products?
The most common mistake is when customers purchase the wrong product for their skin type. Now, depending on the customer's skin concern area, that product which is not correct for their skin type will not actually balance their water and oil content. Now, an example of this would be a customer with combination skin. They go into a shop and they want to buy a product, and they actually buy a product for oily skin type. Now, oily skin products are designed to reduce oil levels. So as a result, this customer who's combination skin will get dry patches or dryness on her face because that product was not appropriate for her skin type. So in summary, it's very important to recommend the right product to the right customer. So again, they return to your store and return to the brand.
How can counter assistants help customers to correctly assess their skin type?
The assistants firstly need to ask the customer their concern. So what is their main concern? Is it blemishes? Is it a shiny T-zone? Is it open pores? And then they need to ask the customer how their skin feels. Does it feel tight? Does it feel greasy? Does it feel itchy? Next, you would actually look at the customer's face and observe the features that the customer is concerned about. So look out for the flakiness, open pores, or a shiny T-zone. So today we have Rebecca who's joining us, and I'm going to demonstrate here where these areas of concern may be. So a shiny T-zone would be across here. So across the forehead, down the nose and down the chin. Open pores are more prominent around the nose area and around the cheek area. Also, if the customer is concerned about dry skin, look out for premature aging, and this you would see around the eyes and around the nasolabial folds or laughter lines. Another area that you may want to look for is flakiness. Flakiness is more prominent around the nose and around the chin. The third step would be to ask your customer 2 or 3 questions to truly understand their skin type. Now, these questions would be based on their lifestyle, what products they're using, and also medication, because medication leads to possible side effects of dryness. So an example would be, okay, madam, why do you think your skin has changed? Why do you think you suffer from flakiness? Have you recently changed your product or your skincare routine? Another question would be due to their lifestyle. Okay, madam, what have you been doing differently in the last month that your skin has changed? How are your stress levels at work? Have you been away to a hot country? All of these lifestyle questions may lead to the true answer. Is it a permanent skin change or is it a temporary skin change?
On how to select the best cleansing products.
Once a customer knows their skin type, choosing a cleanser depends on their personal preference and their routine. So if they like milk cleansers and toners, they can go for that option. If they like all-in-one products, so a cleanser, a toner and an eye makeup remover, they can go for that option. And finally, if they like the sensation of water on their face, so literally washing their face with water, they can go for a facial wash. Overall, it's important for the advisor to ask the customer, what is your skincare routine, what do you prefer, and then you can go from there.
And what about people with sensitive skin? Helping someone choose their skincare products?
There are various eye creams on the market depending on the customer's concern. If the customer is concerned about fine lines and wrinkles, then they can choose an anti-aging eye cream. If the customer is concerned about puffiness or dehydration, they can choose a hydrating eye cream, such as Thermal Fix Eyes. Now, the confusion out there with customers is how to actually apply eye creams. So Rebecca has joined me today to help me demonstrate the application technique. Now, when you start to apply an eye cream, all you need is a pea-sized amount of the actual product. And then you apply this on the lower eye area in a delicate patting motion. So you'll notice that I'm not dragging the cream across the eyes. I'm just pressing very gently. Now, because the eye cream has been tested on the whole area of the eye, you can also moisturise the top lid as well, just like this. A good tip here would also be to massage the product quite gently into the lower eye area, because this increases lymphatic drainage and gets rid of all the toxins and therefore minimises dark circles around the eyes. By hydrating and moisturising the eyes, your concealer will also go on smoothly.
What else can counter assistants do if they want to find out more about selling skincare?